So today I'll be talking about the newly released Tecno Spark 10 Pro. You know, the intriguing thing about this device is that it offers features seen in more expensive devices and costs only about 104,500 naira for the 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and 119,000 naira for the 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage, which is approximately $140 and $160 respectively. So let's get into knowing this device better. In the box, you would find a generic transparent case, which is helpful to protect your device, a USB Type-C cable accompanied with an 18 watts fast charger, a wired headphone with an amazing sound production, but I would say needs to be improved just a little bit. Then the beautiful device, which I would say looks similar to the Apple iPhone 12. The device has an ultra slim and modern design with a durable carbonate frame, which I would say looks like plastic. The device comes in two unique colors, the pale white and the starry black. The back of the device is made up of glass, which makes it sleek for its price, and I mean gives it a very premium feel. The device has on the right hand side the power button and the volume rocker keys. The power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is very responsive and I think works perfectly fine, and also has at the left hand side a SIM card tray that can take 2 nano chips and a nano SD card at the same time. At the bottom, it has a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C port and a speaker grill. Now moving on to the camera. The rear camera of this device comes in a beautiful 3-ring glide design for the camera sensor, which comprises of a 50 megapixel main camera, an AI lens for the low light detection and a flashlight. It features a 6.8 inches LED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixel. The display is clear and enjoyable to watch videos and other media, with a high refresh rate of 90 Hz for smooth scroll and switching between apps. So the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G88 processor, which I would say will perform just wonderfully in our daily activity, and to some extent I would say gaming too. So if the device storage maxes out while in use, the device allows up to 512GB of external storage using a micro SD card. It also runs on an Android version of 13.0 and iOS 12.5. It of course has an all-time feel for all-time Tecno users. But if you are going to be using this device for the first time, the notification center can be accessed from the top left corner of your screen, while the control center can be accessed from the top right corner of your screen. The 32 megapixel front camera is capable of taking pictures in super night mode, portrait, and also comes equipped with a beauty mode. For the battery, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery, which enables the phone last a full day under heavy usage, which is a great convenience for those who are mostly on the go. In conclusion, I'll say the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is an amazing device considering its specs. Now tell me what you think in the comment section about this device. So at this point, adios amigo.